Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a cleaning powerhouse that deserves a spotlight in every household: the Clorox Disinfecting Bathroom Foamer with Bleach. If you're tired of scrubbing away at stubborn stains and germs in your bathroom, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Let's explore what makes this foaming cleaner the best choice for your cleaning needs. Clorox has been a trusted name in cleaning for over a century, and their disinfecting bathroom foamer with bleach takes their legacy of cleanliness to a new level. This 30-ounce spray bottle packs a serious punch, combining powerful disinfecting properties with an easy-to-use foaming application. Whether you're dealing with soap scum, mildew, or bacteria, this foamer is designed to tackle it all. What sets this product apart is its innovative smart tube technology. This means you can use every last drop of the foaming cleaner without having to tilt or turn the bottle upside down. Just spray, and let the foam work its magic. This cleaner penetrates deeply into surfaces, effectively lifting dirt and grime while killing 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Imagine a cleaner that not only freshens your bathroom but also disinfects it. Using the Clorox bathroom foamer is as simple as it gets. Just point, spray, wait a few minutes, and wipe with a sponge or cloth. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly it removes even the toughest stains. The bleach component not only disinfects but also brightens surfaces, leaving your bathroom looking spotless and sparkling clean. One of the standout features of this foamer is its versatility. You can use it on a variety of surfaces, including tubs, tiles, toilets, sinks, and countertops. No more having to buy multiple cleaners for different surfaces. With the Clorox Disinfecting Bathroom Foamer, you have a multi-surface cleaner that does it all, making your cleaning routine quicker and more efficient. Now, let's talk safety. Like any product with bleach, it's important to follow the usage instructions carefully. Clorox advises keeping it away from eyes and skin, and ensuring proper ventilation while using the spray. This precaution is essential for a safe cleaning experience. In conclusion, the Clorox Disinfecting Bathroom Foamer with Bleach is not just a cleaner, it's a cleaning revolution. Its foaming action makes it easy to use, and its powerful disinfecting properties ensure that your bathroom is not only clean but also safe for your family. Whether you're a busy parent, a meticulous cleaner, or just someone who wants to make their life easier, this foamer is a must-have. So, if you're ready to take your bathroom cleaning to the next level, consider adding the Clorox Disinfecting Bathroom Foamer to your cleaning arsenal. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product insights. Happy cleaning!